Node-RED is a powerful and versatile programming tool for connecting hardware devices, online services, and APIs. Developed by IBM, it has become an essential instrument for creating Internet of Things applications and automating processes. At its core, Node-RED is a flow-based programming tool. It allows users to connect various nodes, each representing a specific function or service, to create complex workflows and applications. The beauty of Node-RED lies in its visual programming interface, which makes it accessible to both beginners and experienced developers. One of the key features of Node-RED is its extensive library of pre-built nodes. These nodes cover a wide range of functionalities, from basic operations like data manipulation to more advanced tasks such as interfacing with databases or sending emails. Users can easily drag and drop these nodes onto the workspace and connect them to create their desired flow. Node-RED is not limited to pre-built nodes. It supports custom node creation, allowing developers to extend its capabilities and integrate with virtually any system or service. This flexibility makes Node-RED an ideal choice for a variety of applications. In the realm of Internet of Things, Node-RED shines brightly. It can collect data from sensors, process this information, and trigger actions based on predefined conditions. For example, a smart home system could use Node-RED to monitor temperature sensors and automatically adjust the thermostat for optimal comfort and energy efficiency. But Node-RED's applications extend far beyond IoT. It's an excellent tool for process automation in various industries. In manufacturing, it can be used to monitor production lines and trigger maintenance alerts. In finance, it can automate data collection from multiple sources for real-time market analysis. Web developers also find Node-RED useful for rapidly prototyping APIs or creating middleware to connect different services. Its ability to quickly set up HTTP endpoints and process requests makes it an invaluable tool for testing and development. One of the most significant benefits of Node-RED is its low barrier to entry. Its visual programming approach means that even those with limited coding experience can create functional applications. This democratization of programming enables a wider range of professionals to automate tasks and create solutions tailored to their specific needs. For more experienced developers, Node-RED offers the advantage of rapid development. Complex workflows that might take days to code traditionally can be set up in hours using Node-RED's intuitive interface. Node-RED is also highly scalable. While it's great for small projects and prototypes, it can also handle enterprise-level applications. Its ability to run on various platforms, from single-board computers like Raspberry Pi to cloud services, makes it adaptable to different project requirements. In essence, Node-RED is a versatile tool that bridges the gap between different technologies, simplifies complex processes, and empowers users to create innovative solutions. Whether you're a hobbyist looking to automate your home, a developer seeking to streamline your workflow, or a business aiming to optimize operations, Node-RED offers a flexible and powerful platform to bring your ideas to life. To learn how to communicate to your PLC using Modbus in Node-RED, click here. Click here to see the entire Node-RED series. This includes logging and sharing information in a database,